Hello children, welcome back in your mathematics class. Let us start today's video. Class 4th, subject mathematics, chapter 3, basic geometrical concepts, and it's our lecture number 1. Children, from today onwards, we are going to start our new chapter, that is basic geometrical concepts. In this chapter, you will get to know the basic geometrical ideas, the basic concepts of geometry, in which included shapes and basic geometric concepts. Okay children, so let's get started. So children, in this video our subtopics are as follows. Initially we will do let's rewind. At the second number we will do 2D and 3D shapes. After that we will proceed to forming shapes from a net. I will show you how a shape is formed, how the solid shape is formed. So in this one we will get to know about the formation of shapes. हम ये सीखते हैं कि बेटा शेप्स ऐसी होती है, शेप्स वैसे होती है और 2Ds 3Ds, बट शेप को फ्रेम कैसे करते हैं, वो शेप्स कैसे बनी हुई होती है, व्हाट इज द फॉर्मेशन ऑफ द बेसिक शेप्स. So let us do. Okay children, so initially we will do let's rewind. Question number 1 is fill in the blanks. Part A. The point where two sides of a square meet is called the dash. Okay, so in this one we have to tell the point where two sides of a square meet. Suppose these are the two sides of a square. So this point is known as vertex. VERTEX. The point is known as vertex. And when the vertex are in plural form, then it is known as vertices. A dash has 3 vertices. Which shape has 3 vertices? We have to tell it here. कौन सी shape होती है जिसमें 3 vertices होते हैं? This is the shape triangle. So here we will write triangle. 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 Triangle has 3 vertices. Next is a dash has 6 faces, all of which are square of the same size. A cube has 6 faces. Cube में 6 faces होते हैं. In a rectangle, the dash sides have the same length. Rectangle में the dash sides have the same length. Which sides have same length? Opposite side. This thing you have done in your previous class. So it is let's rewind, means you have to rewind all the things which you have learned. Opposite sides have the same length. Let us do question number 2. Identify the following as curved or straight line. Identify करना आपको इनमें या तो straight line हो या curved line हो. So this is curved line. This is not a straight line. It is a curved line. Right here, CURVED. It is a curved line. These are straight line. STRAIGST. Straight. Straight means होता है सीधी और curved होता है जो मुड़ी हुई होती है कहीं से भी, which is band, and straight line which are straight in shape. So these lines are straight. This is band, so it is a curved line. It is curved shape. It is not a line. It is curved. It is curved open shape. After that, this is, it is a straight one. Okay, STRAIGHT. It is a straight one. Got it children? Yeah, here we have. So here we have done 2 questions. Now let us move to the third question. Name the following shapes. How many sides do these flat shapes have? In this one we have to tell how many sides do these flat shapes have. मतलब कि इन flat shapes में कितनी sides हैं और आपको सबसे पहले इसकी naming करनी है. So this shape is rectangle. Here we will write rectangle. 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 And the number of sides 1, 2, 3, 4. Total 4 sides it is having. So right here 4. After that, this is circle. Right here circle. We will write circle. CIRCLE circle. And sides 0. इसमें कोई भी sides नहीं होती है. This is triangle. TRIANGLE triangle. The sides 1, number of sides 1, 2, 3. Total 3 sides it's having. This is square. 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 And sides 1, 2, 3, 4. Total 4 sides. Got it, children? Number 4. How many straight lines are there in each of the following? इनमें कितनी straight line है? Straight होते हैं जो बिल्कुल सीधी होती है. It can be horizontal, vertical or slant. But the condition is it must be straight. वो मुड़ी हुई या टेढ़ी मेढ़ी नहीं होनी चाहिए. So total lines, straight lines you can count 1, 2, 3. Total 3 straight lines. In this one 1, 2, 3, 4. Total 4 straight lines. Okay. And in the next shape 1, 2. This is curved. Only 2. And in this one 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Total we are having. बेटा this is not countable in line. क्योंकि इसकी formation क्या होती है? It's formed like this. इसकी formation a little bit slant होती है. It's like this and this. So it is not curved. It's slant band. We will not count it. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Total 4. Got it? Come to the next question. Take the closed figure. In this one we have to take the closed figure. Closed figure means the figure which is completely closed, in which there is no space for going inside. So there is space, we can move in. This is not closed figure. So do not cross it. This is closed figure. So do tick. This is closed figure. बंद है नहीं, इसका माउस कहीं से भी ओपन नहीं है. So it is closed figure. And this is, let us do 2D objects or 2D shapes. As we know that plane or flat objects are classified as 2D objects, whereas solid objects are classified as 3D or 3D objects. Why it is named 2D objects? इसका name 2D objects क्यों होता है? These are flat shapes and you can call plane shapes जिन्हें आप सिर्फ टच कर सकते हो. ओके, आप उन्हें होल्ड नहीं कर सकते बिकॉज होल्ड करने के लिए उनके पास कोई थिकनेस नहीं होती. देयर इज नो थिकनेस. ओके, दैट्स व्हाई दीज आर नोन एज 2D shapes which can be drawn. Okay, and there is no thickness. There is only length and width. जिनमें लेंथ और width सिर्फ होती है. In the series, first of all we are having circle. It is a shape that is known as circle, and in this shape there is no sides and no corners. इस shape में बेटा कोई भी corner या कोई भी sides नहीं होते because it is completely round. ये बिल्कुल round होती है और sides कहाँ पर होती है? जहाँ पर कोई line बनती है. Okay, but इसमें कोई line नहीं होती इसलिए इसमें कोई sides नहीं होती. There is no side as well as no corner. Where the corner frame when two lines meet, such as this one is corner. Okay, but there is no corner and no sides. You can classify no corner as well as no sides. This is completely round. In this series, next we have triangle, and we can easily form a triangle by using scale. Okay, like this we can form a triangle, and you all know this is a plane shape. So this is a triangle. Beta, in this shape, this is known as triangle. There are 3 vertex. So it is known as vertices, where the plural it is vertices. So 3 vertices means you can say 3 corners. Corners को आप vertices भी बोलते हो solid shape में. So here we have 3 corners as well as 3 sides. And the name of the shape is triangle. Okay, this shape is known as triangle. After that, next we have this shape is square. In this shape, the name of the shape is square. S-Q-U-A-R-E. In this shape, there are total 4 corners. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So you can say in this shape there are total 4 corners. 4 corners and 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 sides. Got it, children? All the sides are equal to each other in length. Next we have rectangle. The formation is like this. Children, the shape is rectangle. R-E-C-T-A-N-G-L-E, rectangle. In this shape there are also 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 sides and 4 corners. But the basic difference between square and rectangle, that is, in square all the sides are equal to each other in length, but in rectangle opposite sides are equal in length. Only opposite sides are equal in length. It means इसका मीनिंग क्या हुआ कि जो रेक्टेंगल होते हैं उसमें ऑपोजिट साइड्स इक्वल होते हैं. इट मीन्स दिस साइड इज अपोजिट टू दिस वन and this is opposite to this one. So these both are equal, these both are equal. We can't say that all the sides are equal. Only opposite sides are equal in length. So this is the basic difference. Otherwise in property it is having 4 corner 4 side, it is also having 4 corner and 4 side, but the basic difference, you know, its opposite sides are equal in length. Okay children, so you have to keep this thing in your mind. It is the foremost difference. Okay children, now let us discuss 3D shapes, 3D objects. For this I would show you some real objects. First of all we will do cube. This is a cube shape, this is cube, and this is a solid shape. You can see it has length, width as well as thickness. आप इसकी मोटाई भी देख सकते हो. Okay, so this is a cube shape. ये क्यूब की शेप होती है. Let us measure. Let us see its properties. Cube has 6 faces. You have already learned it कि क्यूब में 6 faces होते हैं. But how 6 faces? 6 faces कैसे होते हैं? Let us see now. 1 face. 1 के बैक होगा वो second face. 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now can you see? Now can you say is there any face remained? How cube has 6 faces? Let me show you again. 1, then back side 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Got it? None of the face remain. So total it is having 6 faces. You can write it in your notebook. Cube has 6 faces. After that come to the edges. Now second property we are having, that is known as edge. So total how many edges are there in a cube? So total 12 edges we can say. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. But before counting them completely, let me make you clear what is edge. Edge is the line which join all the faces with ईच अदर, जो फेसेस को ज्वाइन करती है वो लाइन होती है. सपोज ये वाला फेस इस वाले से कैसे जुड़ा होता है, इस लाइन के थ्रू. ओके, तो जो किनारा होता है शार्प, इस किनारे को हम कहते हैं एज. सो लेट अस काउंट 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 and 12. So total 12 edges we are having in this cube shape. And now let us count the corners, or we can say vertices. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Total 8 vertices. Now let us discuss the cuboid shape. After that we are having cuboid shape. It is a cuboid. This is a candle box and this is cuboid shape. As you all know, in a solid shape, in 3D shape, 3 dimensions are there: length, width and depth, जिसको आप height भी बोल देते हैं. Okay, so let us count the same properties. Faces, it is similar as well as cube and in cuboid. Cube और cuboid में दोनों चीजें सेम होती है, but little bit difference कि इसके सारे फेसेस सेम नहीं होते, क्यूब के सारे फेसेस सेम होते हैं. दिस इज मोर लेंथी देन दिस वन. ओके, सो लेट अस काउंट द फेसेस. 1 2 means back side, 3 4 5 and 6. Is there any more one left? No. Let us count again. 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. Total 6 faces. Vertices 1 2, total 12 faces. Okay, in solid shape. 1 vertices 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. There is no more corner except all these 8 vertices, or you can say corners. And after that let us count the edges. मैंने आपको बताया कि किनारे जो एक फेस से दूसरे फेस को कनेक्ट करता है. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Where is 11 and 12? It's got confused. Let us count again. 1 2 3 4. Total 4. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 and 12. Let us count the edges of the cuboid shape. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. Okay, total 12 edges. Now let us discuss the cone. It is this solid shape of triangle, you can say. In this one, if we talk about its property, so 2 faces it's having. First one, face means जैसे आपका face होता है ना, similarly shapes का भी face होगा. So shape का ये face कैसा हो सकता है? This one. आप इसको कैसे देख सकते हो? ये राउंड फेस है ना इसका, आप इसको ऐसे देख सकते हो. तो दिस इज अ कर्व्ड फेस. इट इज वन एंड इट इज द सेकेंड वन. इस पे अगर जब हम ढक्कन लगाते हैं, इसको क्लोज करते तो इट इज द सेकेंड फेस. आफ्टर दैट इट इज हैविंग ओनली वन कॉर्नर. सो यू कैन से 2 faces 1 corner. एंड इफ वी टॉक अबाउट द एज क्या होता है? जो एक फेस से दूसरे फेस को कनेक्ट करता है. सो ये जो प्लेन फेस है इस कर्व्ड फेस से कहाँ कनेक्ट हो रहा है? इस पर. सो इट इज द एज. नाउ लेट अस डिस्कस सिलेंडर. सिलेंडर इज द शेप व्हेन यू extend the length of a circle, when a sphere of a sphere shape, so it become a cylinder shape. Okay, suppose this is a circle shape. ये सर्कल का फेस होता है ना, आप जब इसको, या आप स्फेयर शेप भी ले सकते हो. कोई स्फेयर के जब आप वन फेस को आप जब लेंथ में इंक्रीज करते हो तो क्या बनता है? वो एक सिलेंडर शेप. Okay children, so this is cylinder shape. In this one, it is having 3 faces. One is curved, 2 plain faces. This is plain face, this is plain face, and it is curved face. So 3 faces total it is having, 1 curved, 2 plain, and edges, 2 edges. Faces को जोड़ने वाला edges होता है. So this there are total 2 edges. This one and this one. ये plain face को curved face के साथ connect करता है. And it is having no corner because there is no line, no 2 lines which are joining with each other. So it is having no corner. And the next one is sphere. Sphere is very yummy. This is sphere shape. It is completely round. Circle की solid shape होती है sphere. Okay. So it has only one face, that is curved. It has no corner and no side, no edges. क्योंकि इसमें कोई भी एक फेस दूसरे फेस को कनेक्ट नहीं कर रहा है. This is only having one face, that is curved only. Got it children? Now next topic is forming shape from a net. What is net? When a solid shape is made using a flat shape, it is called a net. जब आप किसी भी solid shape को एक flat shape के use से बनाते हो तो वो net कहलाता है उसका. Means उसकी formation. Nets are made up of many number of faces like 6-faced, 5-faced, 4-faced. When we dismantle a 3-dimensional object, we get its net. Dismantle means जब आप उसको open करते हो, उसको खोल के देखते हैं ना. अगर हम सिंपल लैंग्वेज में बोले, उसको अगर आप खोल के देखते हो, उसको डिसमेंटल करते हो, तो आपको क्या मिलता है? वी गेट इट्स नेट. हम उसका नेट मिलता है. लेट अस टेक एग्जांपल हियर. आई हैव प्रिपेयर्ड अ नेट. लेट अस सी व्हिच शेप वी कैन मेक फ्रॉम दिस नेट. इट इज 1. लेट्स काउंट द फेस. 1 2 3, टोटल 3 4 5, और एक जो आपने बिल्कुल बॉटम में बनाया 6. सो टोटल 6 फेसेस this shape is having. And if you will take an idea, so this is a cube shape. This is a cube. आपको कौन सी शेप लग रही है ये? This is cube. ओके. जब आप इसको डिसमेंटल करते हैं तो आपको कौन सी शेप मिलती है? देख, इसका नेट मिलता है आपको. ओके. ऑल शेप्स आर फ्लैट. दिस इज स्क्वायर 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 स्क्वायर. 7.5 centimeter square I have taken. 7.5 7.5. So this is plain shape, and when we arrange, it become a solid shape. 6 faces total it is having. Okay, we can make 4-faced shape, or 3-faced, 2-faced, 5-faced. Okay, if I remove any one of the face, suppose if I remove this face of the shape, I have removed. So how many faces would be? 1 2 3 4 and 5. मीन्स एक ऐसी शेप मिलेगी जिसका बॉटम तो है लेकिन टॉप नहीं है, जिसकी सीलिंग नहीं है. ओके. तो इसका 1 फेस ओपन होगा. सपोज मैं इसका 1 फेस और निकाल देती हूँ तो उसका बॉटम भी नहीं होगा. इट मीन्स ओनली राउंड शेप होगी चारों तरफ से, जिसकी बाउंड्री होती है, जिसका टॉप बॉटम दोनों ही नहीं होंगे. ओके चिल्ड्रन. सो आई हैव डिसमेंटल इट देन आई गॉट प्लेन शेप्स. गॉट इट चिल्ड्रन? Now let us take homework, and here is your homework. Do exercise 3A, question number 1, 2 and 3 in book only. You have to do exercise 3A, and the question number are 1, 2 and 3. You have to do in book only. आपको सिर्फ book में ही करना है. No need to do in notebook. Okay children? So that exercise is completely based on the topics which I have mentioned in the video. So there will be no difficulty. Rather, if you have any difficulty, you can ask me in the online session. Let's meet in the next video. Till then, bye bye. Take care of yourself.